Magandang araw sa ating mga kapwa negosyante, investors, at successful Filipino business leaders. If you're watching this, you already know what it takes to build something great. Napatunayan mo na may drive ka, may vision ka, at may kakayahan ka para magtagumpay. And now I want to invite you to join me sa isang mission that can truly make a difference para sa ating kapwa Pilipino at sa bansa. For decades, maraming Pilipino ang pumupunta abroad para magtrabaho sa foreign employers. Samantala, foreigners who come here mostly start businesses and become the bosses and enjoy, of course, the rewards. I believe it's time na baligtarin natin ang kwentong ito. Through Pinoy Tank, we can give aspiring Filipino entrepreneurs a real chance to pitch their business ideas to potential investors tulad mo na handang mag-partner, mag-mentor, at magbigay ng puhunan para lumago ang kanilang negosyo. Why you should join as an investor? Let's be honest, keeping your money in the bank right now, halos walang tubo, di ba? Average deposit interest rates natin, it's less than 1% a year. For long-term deposits, slightly higher, 2%, 3%. Pero babawasan pa ng gobyerno ng 20% tax ang interest na yan. After inflation, ang pera mo ay nababawasan ang value. Pero kung i-invest mo ito sa Pinoy Tank Entrepreneurs, you can put that capital to work in much more powerful way. Funding real businesses na pwedeng magbigay ng mas mataas na kita at makatulong pang magpatayo ng mas maraming Filipino-owned companies. By joining Pinoy Tank, you gain access to pre-screened pitches mula sa passionate entrepreneurs na may solid products, services, or ideas. Magkakaroon ka ng opportunities to diversify your investment portfolio beyond stocks, bonds, or real estate, and the chance to leverage the passion, knowledge, and skills of others to grow your wealth. A platform to invest in scalable businesses without running them yourself. This isn't just about profit. It's about nation building. Bawat investment mo dito, pwedeng mga hulugan ng mas maraming trabaho para sa mga Pilipino, mas maraming local brands na lumalaban sa local or global market, mas matatag na ekonomiya para sa bansa. Hindi lang ito tungkol sa pera. It's about helping turn ideas into reality and dreams into thriving enterprises. If you've been looking for a perfect vehicle to expand your portfolio or diversify your investments, kung gusto mong palaguin ang pera mo habang tinutulungan ang mga masisipag na Pilipino, kung gusto mong maging bahagi ng isang kilusan na magbabago ng entrepreneurial landscape sa Pilipinas, then I invite you, hindi lang bilang investor, pero bilang partner in building the future, and let's work together to transform Filipino ideas into globally competitive businesses. Be part of Pinoy Tank. Be part of the change. And to be part of this mission, all you have to do is message us at pinoytank2025@gmail.com and get listed as potential investor. Okay? Again, this is Alvin Tubog na nagsasabing your next great investment might not be in the stock market or in the bond. It might be in the next great Filipino entrepreneur, and they're waiting for you right here in Pinoy Tank. Thank you and see you.